Okay, njengoba ubona-ke ama-product emoyi are-plant-based and are-organic. So ama-product esiwasebenzisayo e-home care, ama-supplement ethu, u-artistry wethu wobuso, any product esiyisebenzisayo, ama-lotion ethu, they are all plant-based and organic. So the video I've shown engitshengisile whereby sitshengise i-LOC multipurpose cleaner, even umntwana ekhasa phansi aka-inhale okuthe kuyeceleni uyabona okunama chemicals kodwa breathing yakhe ukuphefumula kwakhe kube kuhle kakhulu because of what esikubonayo la. Anginje ubona nje ifarm leli lisemazweni amaningi kakhulu amazwe aphesheya. So this is the business for everyone. Alikhethi muntu. Line system uyakwazi ukushintsha impilo yakho ngaleli business. So this is business for you. You are a student, you are working, you are not working, uyawudinga plan B. And uyadinga i-business ozofundisa kulabantwana bakho. Bakhule nalo belazi ekhaya. We're using this toothpaste because it's plant-based and organic. So there are so many products. Bafunde ekhaya abantwana ama-roll on, bafunde ekhaya abantwana ukuthi le business when you buy ufake imali ephaketheni. Thank you so much.